Hi guys, great to see you here again. Okay, I'm doing a collaboration with Tina from TSR Creations. We're using two of our choice TLP pigments, two primary elements and two tubes, and the colours have got to be in the blue, purple, turquoise spectrum. Right, my TLPs are Mermaid and Funk. My primary elements are Freesia and Indian Spice Bling It. My tube colours are Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green and Acrylic Pastel Arctic Light, I think it's called. I can't find my tube, but it's this colour, very pastel blue. And there's my Mermaid TLP, and there's my Funk. There's my primary elements Freesia, and there's the Indian Spice. I'm swiping with blue, and this is Amsterdam greenish blue. Right, my base, you'll see the colour in a minute, it's a self-mixed base, a bluey purple colour. Okay, I'll put the base on and then come back to you later. Sorry. Okay, this is my base colour, that's what I'm pointing at now. I mixed it with, I started with a house paint, I think it was called Emperor Purple, thinking I'd be going purple, but it was a bit too purple, so I added various tubes of acrylic blue, ultramarine and Prussian blue until I got a shade I liked, and I didn't have any idea what shade Tina was using. And when I put Tina's clip in partway through mine, you'll see that we chose virtually the same colour, which was a coincidence. But there you go, great minds think alike. Right, I'll put some music on, and as I say, I will put a clip of Tina's in partway through, and I'll just need to add, I'm very grateful to Tina for asking me to do this collab. I love Tina's work. I've been following Tina for a long time, so I'm very appreciative. Okay, speak later.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
I'm back and I'm very happy with it. I love the way the colours look. I think they go well together. I love the iridescence of using the Freesia and the gold. Yes, I like it. Tina did well choosing the colours, the blue, turquoise and purple. You can't go wrong with those. My favourite colours. I tend to use them quite a lot. But yes, it's nice, and I like it on the dark blue background. I think it's a coincidence we both chose the dark blue. All we said was a dark background. We had no idea what the other person was going to choose. But yes, the aqua looks really nice on that blue. The gold isn't quite as brassy as it's appearing under my lights. It's a nice shimmery gold, glittery. It's not brassy, it does look a bit brassy. But yes, once again, I'd really like to say thank you to Tina. I've really enjoyed doing this collab. It was my first collab with anybody, so I really enjoyed it. Thanks, Tina. Right, everybody, so stay safe, take care.